Adi Aki here, and welcome back to Bros Code. Last time we are just grinding around, like, you know, doing some leveling up for, for any resources like that. Then I'm going to take a quest on healing for sick trees, so I can find it. I can find it yet, so let's try it again. Oh, wow. Another cargo. Okay. We. Wait, what? Another cow gone. I kinda like the cows in our neighbor, they were cute. These buffaloes are up in comparison, but still feeling sort of bad about this. Okay. I guess that will be fun. nice. Oh. Oh yeah. I used to see Cos every day. I think they start even recognizing me. Wow. More laser bridges. Okay, this guy. Okay, let's go here. Where should I go? Okay. Let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, I'm right. Where? No. Okay. Where can I cross? Oh! Damn, those bovines stick in damage mga attacks. I told you, throwing balls when you press them, you're gonna get close and personal. Do I look some kind of brawler to you? I don't think the bro is all care or can understand. Okay. And I guess I will need to get this away. Of course, I will. Okay. Spice. I know. Which is spice. Pambago. Civilian trigger. Okay, junk metal and blue. Damage. Ay, 5, 6. Okay. 2 offerings only. Okay, let's go to the progress the main scenario. Okay, nice. Did you ever think drink fresh cow milk. It's really sweet. I'm actually must make a crossword already. Okay. Let's progress the main scenario. Where is the bell packet? Bergen Trail is another place here. Okay. Holy. You can go here. Go top of it. Go dito. Okay. I will get that thing. Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go. Hello, I am the canonical FBC. Nice weather today, right? Right? Dang it. Yeah. Ow! Stupid. Okay. Another one. Another bites the dust. Hey, you're not doing this. You mess with me. We. What do you mean by that? There we go. The hell? Where am I going? I need to find a way where to go this. Going here. Where to find it? Okay. Okay. Oh, I know. Okay, finish. Sickness cured. Off-road 2. So, which means let's go to pathway 2. Pathway 2 was this pathway 2. Okay. Where's pathway 2? Okay. Hope not this one. No. Okay, what was pathway 2? Meaning. Okay. Where is pathway 2? Pathway 1. Okay, let's investigate all of the trees. Okay, this place, okay. Okay, maybe that one. I'm right. Oh shit. Oh my god. Where should I go? Maybe one of these trees. Let me find a way. Okay, where can I go though? Oh man, where is that thing? Where can I hear it? Oh! Okay, let's go for the main course for now. Man, this is pure insanity. I cannot find anything. again. I hope we don't get lost around here. Over there. Since we have to head northwest to reach Bergen Trail. I hope it's not too far. I will have to log out sooner or later, you see. Oh, don't worry. I'll stay until you beat up Mr. Grasshead. Please don't worry too much because of me. We have to make sure you're well trained, no? Alright then. Just Pakti. That's right. We have been playing for a long time now, Leia. Anyway, I suppose there's still time for you to face that duel. Come on, Leia. Dear Lord, they are so big. Let's go. Hi. Yes, what is it? Let me guess. You wonder how to reach this chest, don't you? Yes. Here. Well, you may have realized, but jumping from here on those pillars is not the right solution. You'll have to go another way. In fact, it's very about path to reach it. You want to know more? I suggest you try to find a way to yourself. It's more rewarding. Alright then. From here on, go to the west close to the exit. From there you can jump onto a higher platform to the south. From there, go to the south until you reach the previous area. From there, go all the way south until you reach the previous area, and from there, well, actually there is a quite a bit more I can't remember in English. I'm sure you'll find a way. Just give it your best shot. So maybe I can enjoy a quiet moment here. Okay. It's okay, I can trick you sa fellow traveler in name. Okay. Oh. Okay, close here. Forward now. Oh, okay. 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 This data. Okay. Boom. Okay, let's go there. Okay, nice, nice. Let's go here, here. Oh, no, almost. Okay, wait. Okay. They are not the right solution. Okay. Oh, wrong. Let's go for the main scenario. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna do it. Oh, hey, good gracious girl. Hi. You'll give me a quite the scary there. Eating the plants are no. Shucks, so good. They got some mighty strange doohickeys inside, don't you think? Well, I'm tago 2 tips. I'm thinking a notion to finding and analyzing as many as I can. But that's turned out to be a lot harder than I expected. See, getting at what's inside seems to only be doable by seekers. I can only collect what they bring me. You already seen them yet? Ano ka dream? Try to help me out? What? How much? Okay. Much obliged, girl. There's mighty kind of y'all. First, let me give you all this here. This whole floral thing. This little gizmo will help you keep track of your progress. Just keep hitting them and analyze them by getting them doohickeys. You'll check your progress in the menu too. Took the liberty of adding my funds for the for gold pad. Just hit in them, transfer me, alright? Alrighty. I'll be up to spar for more of them plants. Might be meet ya again. Away. Once you all finished, come find me in Haruki Harbor Alley quarters. Okay. Botanics. Okay. See how many clubs you need to complete the entry. Once you progress 50%, you can farm more needed location here. Nyo. Okay, Bergen Trail. Bergen Trail, here we are. First, Monsieur Grass said, don't tell me he's late. You heard Spearmancer. Finally, you've arrived. This time for our duel. As for the location, this place here is just perfect. Isn't it kinda crowded here? Why, that's exactly the point. People should witness the grace of the Spearmancer's fighting style. I see. Now, there is no reason to rush. Prepare yourself and tell me when you're ready to start. And don't even think about chickening out. Hell no, we're gonna show you. As I remind you of the definition of a duel, Spearmancer versus Spearmancer. No Pentafist. Wee, I know. I'm gonna watch as Leia beats you up. Anyway, just talk to me when you're ready. Why should I compare circuits? Yep. Your stats seem rather low. I suggest you upgrade your circuits and equipment before the duel. You can still challenge me with your current stats, but don't even think about using it as an excuse. Are you ready for the duel? No. Alright, don't make me wait too long. I will save first, mate. Before doing that, I am not stupid. Let's create a new save. Okay. Yeah. Pentafist, it's time for you to step back. Wee. Get ready. PvP combat activate. Is this your first PvP battle? Favors plays simple. We fight several rounds. 5 out of 9. No items, no escape. Dole, I'm sure you can do it. Time has come. I upload. Bruh. Enough with the dialogue. I Apollo will show you the right path. The path of a proper Spearmancer. The path of justice. Let the duel begin. Oh shit. Okay. But was that all? Ow. Oh man, this is so hard. Okay. Oh fuck. Punching hard. Ow! Oh man. Okay, let's grind. Oh man. I hate this game. Okay, this. Oh. Nope, not this. Oh, okay. Okay, 357. Okay, no, was stupid of me. Wait. Okay, where's that? Oh, okay. Okay. No, I know. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay, 20. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ow. Kailangan pag stun lang siya. Ay! Okay. Oh! 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 No! 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 Ito ko balat. Oh! Nice! Oh, head on. Nope. Okay, please don't. Oh. Oh. Witness of losing. Oh. Oh. Hey. Ow. Ow. Oh man, let's change the button. Dang it. Combat, combat, combat. F E. Oh sh. Ow. Okay, nope. Okay. Ah. Daya naman. Well then, it looks like you still have much to learn. You are nowhere unlocking the true potential of the Spiromancer. Others train hard, you may become worthy of your class. Next time we meet, I'll make sure to test your skills once more. And then, blue-haired Spiromancer. Leia. Serious monster is very serious. Looks like you got yourself a rival, Leia. Well, I don't like this. Let's retry. For now, let's go. Okay. Let's... Oh! Okay, let's grind this out first. Nice, wrap it up. Ow. Ow! Ba yan? Oh man. I can't. Let's grind. Ba? my taste. We need to upgrade our gear. Let's go here. There you go. Level 7. Okay, veggie set. Okay. Okay, finished. Headphone straps. Okay, what's the headphone strap? Not this one. This is the beginner stuff. Metal needles. Junk metal. This is better. Junk metal, where can I get you? Okay, let's get things. Oh! Okay. Barkeeper. Gut punch, okay. At the sea. Seaport. Leaves. At the sea. Let's see. Info. Nothing here. Okay. Oh, okay. Where is the pub? Okay, this is the pub. Finally, another seeker visiting my humble establishment. Are you the one with the new supplies? Yes, about time. That Mr. Nosworth promised me those ingredients hours ago. Makes me wonder why we even pay fancy paper pushers like him for just doing some tools anyway. Next time I might just contact those doing the real work myself. Anyway, I'll send him a confirmation about the job. You better go back to him and get your reward. Oops. Okay. Nice weather today. Yeah. It's nice weather. I've already gotten the message from our satisfied customer. Good job. Here's your payment. I hope I can count on your future assistance. Okay, oh my man. There are again. I'm currently facing a high priority problem. It's giving me quite the headache. You see, I'm waiting for an urgent delivery of fresh ingredients from one of our contracted food collectors. An important business lunch will be ruined if she doesn't show up soon. Yes, I thank you for asking. Indeed, be very helpful if you could lend me a hand again. And keep your eyes open for our collector. She should be somewhere in Autumn's Rise. Could you try to find her and examine what happened? I don't know. Exactly expecting. It seems they still have those average quest NPCs. Nonsense places. Well, that is good news for us. Otherwise, okay. Excellent. I'm expecting swift results. It seems like they still have not given those average quest NPCs more nuanced responses. Well, that is good news for us. Otherwise, doing side quests might be problematic with your limited means of communication. Yes, I am sorry. We'll continue working on it now. Okay. Bull grab. Okay. Okay, let's find the food collector so I can level up. Wait. Wait. Basic equipment, right? Junk metal, I don't know where to find it. Okay, let's go. Cooling veil. Oh, cooling veil. Okay. 31. Resistance is. Okay. Cooling veil is better, but resistance low. But this is better. Ay, no. Yeah. Okay. Rusty. Junk metal, how to get these things? Grasswalkers, I love it. Azure Dragonfly. I need this. Woo. Bovine armor. Oh, nice. Bear cicada is needed. Plus attack. Season apples, junk metal. This is better. Yeah, this is better. Bovine armor, torso. Okay, thank you. Core drill, level 10. Okay, metal needles 10. Okay, junk metal. I don't know where the junk metal is get. Metal needles, junk metal. This junk metal, where can I get this? Foot set, leaf cake. Okay, this is better. Okay. Bovines. Okay, for now, let's stop. Right, let's find the collector. Then, end this episode. Okay. Wait, let me check my inventory. Autumn's rice. Mineral. Thank you. Not this. Maybe going to the Belgian Trail. Nope. Okay, nothing here. So arm. Wait, where's that? Autumn's rice here. Okay. Maybe this is the NPC. Hi. Wow, that Bisola, do you want to hear them? Do you want hear? Do you want them to hear you? I'm talking about those thieving bovines. They ambushed me and stole all the fruits and herbs I've been gathering. Oh, look at that beast grazing like nothing happened. There's more of them in the bushes. Just waiting for a victim. Wait, but you were sent to help me, right? I worked all day collecting that stuff. You need to get it back. Okay, well, you have to do it. I have to watch for reinforcements, so good luck. Ah, that was stupid over here. Hello? Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow! Junk metal, how to get junk metal. Okay, I know where to go. Need to grind more. Okay, let's save. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears.